Hi there, welcome to a new Monday vlog, and today is 5th of Jan 2022. Took a pause cause habit of saying 2021. As of now, cases in Mumbai have taken a toll and it has reached 10,000 cases. Looking at the increasing COVID cases in Mumbai, our company decided that to get back to work from home and be safe cause health is first. Back to work from home. Back into the kitchen, guys. I know many of you all have missed my kitchen. If not, I missed a lot. Guess what are we going to make today? It's okay, I'll reveal it to you. It's going to be dosha. Not a sponsored video, but trying this batter ID. I always wanted to try this batter and see how dosha has been made from this batter. So let's see how this goes. But before I make my dosha, there's this entire lot of mess that I have to clear. This is yesterday's mess. I was very lazy yesterday, so I thought today morning I'll clear. So now the utensils washing is done, and now moving to making the dosha for my breakfast. And I had seen a video about this company on YouTube and it was very interesting, the concept. So basically they're based out of Bangalore and they had an amazing concept of making stores, and how later they progressed. And yesterday I was just seeing batters and this came up and I was like, oh dude, I know about this company, so let's try it out. So here we go, doshas from ID Batter. Very good though, made at my place. Oh, this is damn good. Cool. So the instruction that is given in this is, for dosha if you're making, then you'll have to add some water in this. So I am taking some batter. 1, I need 4 doshas. 2, 3, 4. I have taken a glass of water. Not going to add the entire set. A bit more soft, so I guess that's the reason why they have asked to add water. Oh, now it's much better. Two doshas and third one is getting ready over here. And the review as of now though, this is so good. I mean, the crispiness that is coming out of this is damn good, and definitely I think so I would recommend it because it is coming out so good. I mean, just look at this dude. Love it, already in love. Now let's see how it tastes though. So review time, and here we have the dosha, and it's not a sambar, it's dal. I had some dal left, so believe me, if you have no time and you want to eat dosha, no time to make batter, go buy this. This is just amazing. Hi there! So back at the kitchen. Oh, I forgot to mention the reason why I'm at the kitchen. So my mom and dad have gone to Kerala and need to make my breakfast, lunch, dinner by myself. So that's the reason. And today we are going to try idli. Yesterday we tried dosha, today is going to be idli. But for idli I need to make some chutney. That's the reason. Coconut at my hand. My mom had taught me how to do this. So there's this lines that these coconuts have. The line that comes in the center. So hit those center hard, because that's how you break a coconut. Already it has a crack now since you keep hitting. One more hit and I guess it will be open. One more hit. That's what she said. Good job, Garvin. There we go. Now let's go to the second step. Grated coconut inside, and peanuts, then gadi pata, then chili also, and then you can grind and make a chutney out of it. So this is how the chutney looks. So there's one more thing, like once I have transferred the entire thing, my mom has taught me this, add a little bit of water and take the remaining chutney that's there inside this, and then just do this and add it in your chutney. For idli, I have to put oil before we add the batter, so that it does not stick. So this is the base level. We are going to start putting the batter from here. So we are going to use the same batter. We can use it for both idli and dosha. Once for this big vessel of idli that I have, Yeah, and then I can just. So this is how the idli has come out, and it has come out very soft. The batter is very good for idli too. So love it. Hi there. So that's pretty much it for this video. And many more dishes have been made but didn't record because it's very difficult when you record preparation and then you make your food. So had a lot of things to be done, so didn't record all the things. But yeah, this was the two things that I wanted to share, and pretty much highly recommend the product if you want to try. And if you're new here, then do hit the subscribe button because that would mean a lot to me. And let me know in the comments, are you a dosha lover or idli? I am a dosha lover, so there you go. And that's it for this video. Gordon Manuel signing off. See you in the next one. Till then, keep creating and love you. Bye. Also, you know what? It's like cold in Mumbai, like 18 degrees in the morning, and we are feeling the cold. So that's the reason wearing this sweater. But loving the weather though, it's super cozy.